Dollars and cents. Practical money management tactics. Welcome to my channel. Practical money management tactics, encapsulated in dollars and cents, involve creating budgets, establishing emergency funds, and negotiating bills. Prioritizing debt repayment, automating savings, and diversifying investments are key strategies. Cutting unnecessary expenses, staying informed, and building multiple income streams amplify financial resilience, turning every dollar into a strategic asset for long-term wealth. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 10. Plan for the future. Planning for the future is a crucial aspect of practical money management. Establishing clear financial goals, such as homeownership, education, and retirement, provides a roadmap for sustained fiscal well-being. Begin by outlining specific objectives and timelines, considering factors like inflation and changing circumstances. Regularly reassess and adjust your plan to stay aligned with evolving priorities and economic conditions. Emphasize long-term savings and investment strategies, leveraging tax-advantaged accounts to maximize returns. Additionally, ensure adequate insurance coverage to protect against unforeseen events. A well-thought-out, future-focused financial plan not only fosters financial security, but also empowers you to navigate life's milestones with confidence. Number 9. Build multiple income streams. Building multiple income streams is a savvy money management tactic, enhancing financial resilience and flexibility. Diversifying revenue sources, whether through a side hustle, freelance work, or investments, mitigates the impact of economic fluctuations. It provides a safety net in times of job uncertainty and accelerates wealth accumulation. Identify opportunities aligned with your skills and interests, gradually expanding your portfolio of income streams. Passive income avenues, such as investments or royalties, add a layer of financial stability. This multifaceted approach not only bolsters your current lifestyle, but also sets the stage for sustained financial growth, empowering you to weather economic challenges with confidence. Number 8. Stay informed. Staying informed is a cornerstone of practical money management, fostering financial acumen and adaptability. Regularly update yourself on economic trends, tax laws, and investment opportunities to make informed decisions. Stay attuned to changes in interest rates, ensuring optimal borrowing or saving strategies. This vigilance extends to understanding the implications of evolving financial instruments. An informed approach allows you to navigate the dynamic landscape of personal finance adeptly, ensuring that your monetary decisions align with your goals and adapt to the ever-changing financial environment. Number 7. Negotiate bills. Negotiating bills is a practical money management tactic that can yield substantial savings. Regularly review recurring expenses like insurance premiums, internet, and utilities, seeking opportunities to lower costs. Contact service providers to negotiate better rates or explore competitor offerings. Loyalty often translates into discounts. Additionally, inquire about bundling services for enhanced savings. Vigilance in bill negotiation ensures you're getting the best value for essential services, freeing up funds for savings or debt repayment. This proactive approach to expense management exemplifies the dollars and cents principle, maximizing the impact of your money by optimizing everyday expenditures. Number 6. Invest wisely. Investing wisely is a cornerstone of practical money management, amplifying financial growth and security. Understand your risk tolerance and financial goals before diversifying your portfolio. Consider low-cost index funds for stability and explore tax-advantaged accounts to optimize returns. The key is a balanced approach that aligns with your long-term objectives. Strategic investment not only builds wealth, but also acts as a hedge against inflation. It encapsulates the essence of dollars and cents, turning savings into a potent tool for sustained financial well-being. Number 5. Automate savings. Automating savings is a pragmatic money management tactic that cultivates financial discipline and resilience. Set up automatic transfers to a dedicated savings account, treating it as a non-negotiable expense. This systematic approach ensures consistency, overcoming the temptation to spend impulsively. It establishes a financial safety net, fortifying your ability to weather unexpected expenses or emergencies. Automation also leverages the power of compounding, allowing your savings to grow steadily over time. By embracing this dollars and cents strategy, you effortlessly prioritize savings, transforming it into a seamless and integral component of your financial routine, ultimately strengthening your economic foundation. Number 4. Prioritize debt repayment. Prioritizing debt repayment is a fundamental money management strategy embodying the essence of dollars and cents. Start by identifying high-interest debts and strategically paying them down. Adopt the snowball or avalanche method to expedite the process. Redirecting funds from interest payments accelerates financial freedom. This tactic not only saves money in the long run, but also alleviates the psychological burden of debt. Consistency is key. Allocate a set portion of your income towards debt reduction. By actively addressing outstanding balances, you reclaim financial control, laying a solid foundation for future wealth-building endeavors and reinforcing the practicality of fiscal decisions. Number 3. Cut unnecessary expenses. Trimming unnecessary expenses is a pivotal money management strategy encapsulating the spirit of dollars and cents. Scrutinize spending habits, identifying areas where adjustments can be made without compromising your lifestyle. Small, consistent cutbacks in these areas accumulate into significant savings over time. This practice not only bolsters your financial health, but cultivates mindful spending habits. Regularly reassess your budget, ensuring it aligns with your financial goals. By curbing unnecessary expenditures, you redirect funds towards savings, debt repayment, or investments, exemplifying a practical and strategic approach to financial well-being. Number 2. Emergency fund. Establishing an emergency fund is a cornerstone of practical money management, embodying the essence of dollars and cents. Aim to accumulate 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to weather unforeseen events without derailing your financial goals. This fund provides peace of mind, preventing reliance on credit or depleting long-term savings during crisis. Regularly contribute to this fund and treat it as a non-negotiable aspect of your budget. By prioritizing an emergency fund, you fortify your financial resilience, ensuring a sense of security in the face of uncertainties. Number 1. Create a budget. Creating a budget is the bedrock of practical money management, epitomizing the core principle of dollars and cents. Track your income and expenses meticulously to gain insights into your financial landscape. Categorize spending to discern patterns and identify areas for optimization. Regularly revisit and adjust the budget as circumstances evolve, ensuring it aligns with your goals. By establishing a budget, you instill financial discipline, gain control over your money, and lay the groundwork for a secure and prosperous financial future. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.